Okay, I went shopping today at Tesco's and I got myself some cooked chicken slices. I just got some noodles as well. Like I got some taco sauce, some mayonnaise, and I got some wraps. That cost like I think £10, maybe €12, and I let some of the chicken defrost. And yep, lovely. Okay, measurements. Uh, yeah, we're going for trial and error. Some of that. I put in some of this. Yeah. And this is the part where it gets all gooey. We want to mix this in. Oh, I have to use one hand. Oh no. Give this all a good mix. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, you can hear it. Good, 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 good. I think that's actually a perfect mixture there. It's quite nice. A little bit of cheddar cheese. Yep. Don't mind if I do. They're just cut into little slices. Lovely. Okay, and mixture. Of course, nice clean hands. Then we're just going to put it over here like so. I don't want too much in case I bust the wraps. And these are pretty small. I'm used to using bigger wraps, but I think that looks alright. And the mixture, oh, I might have enough for another one. Yay. Something like this. Lovely. Okay, so what we do is we take it from both sides. I'm standing sideways so you can see it. Put it in the middle like this. In the bottom. Put it up. And we give it a good wrap round. And just keep tucking it in as you roll. And this is what we get. Okay. They're easy enough to eat, but still going to cut them. Cut them sideways. Tastes better like that, actually. Like so. There. A little cut down. Okay, so for the €12 that I spent on Tesco's, I could actually make 12 of these. Lovely. I just gave that other piece to my neighbour. But yeah, here's my finished product. Yeah, good to go. Bon appetit.